raindrops, soap bubbles, and small droplets of mercury takes spherical shape. Rainwater does not pass through tiny holes in the fabrics of umbrellas, tents, raincoats, etc. Water surface of still pond appears as film. Water spiders are able to walk on the surface of water, and while walking their feet produce dimples on the surface without rupturing the film. All these phenomena exist because of an interesting property of liquids called surface tension. The free surface of liquid behaves like a stretched membrane, due to which free surface of liquid behaves as if it is under tension, and so the free surface of liquid tries to minimize its surface area, and it happens because of property of surface tension of liquid. Now let's see some experiments to understand this property in more detail. The free surface of a liquid in a vessel behaves like a stretched membrane, and all molecules on the surface film experience stretching force. Imagine a line AB of length L anywhere on the free surface of a liquid as shown in figure. Molecules near this line AB are being pulled on each side. This force is acting perpendicular to this line AB and tangential to the liquid surface. Therefore, we can define surface tension as the force per unit length acting at right angles to an imaginary line drawn on the free surface of liquid is called surface tension. That is, surface tension T is equal to force F upon length L. SI unit of surface tension is Newton per meter and CGS unit of surface tension is dyne per centimeter. But what is the reason behind this surface tension property of liquid? To understand this, in our next video we are going to discuss about surface tension on the basis of molecular theory.